Welcome back to another cooking episode on Life and Fork. I have a special guest. We're going to be showing you how to make pizza, so stay tuned. Alright, so I have my little special guest with me. What is your name?
Roslyn.
Say it louder.
Roslyn.
What's your last name, Roslyn?
Navarro.
Navarro. How old are you?
7.
7 years old. And what do you like to eat? Pizza, right?
Not that much.
So we're going to teach her how to make pizza crust. She has been wanting to know, so I said I promised her she would do a cooking video, right? And you would do pizza crust. So this recipe is pretty easy. All you need is sugar. This is 00 flour, kosher salt, and honey. We already measured out the flour. We have 2 cups of flour. Rosalind's gonna pour this into here. Nice job. Okay, you wait right there, my little one.
Thanks.
Next.
Looks like a big pot of water.
Next, my little Rosalind, you need 1 spoon of sugar.
So badly.
You can't eat the sugar, Rosalind, I'm sorry.
This is hard sugar.
Put it in there, there you go. Dump it all, nice.
Sugar.
Now we're gonna cover this. So then, you have active yeast. We're gonna use half a package. Just put that in there. A little bit of salt. Just like that. A little bit of honey.
Oh, I like honey.
We all love honey.
But I haven't tried it in a long time.
What? Why?
I have no idea.
Let me see your finger. How is it? Rosalind says how it is, so whatever she says, that's how it is. There is no filter. Next, we're going to do 3/4 cup warm water. This water is about 110 degrees. So this is a 1/4 cup measurement, so we're going to do 3 of these. 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to start making the dough for you, and then you'll do the ball, okay?
Okay.
So all you do, you bring it together. We're doing it by hand. You can use an electric mixer if you have one. We do not have one. So we're going to do it by hand, the old-fashioned way. So all I'm doing is bringing all the crumbs together, and it should bring it to a ball. If it's too flaky, you add just a little bit more water to bring the dough together. But you want it to be able to pull off your fingers. Okay, so next, I'm gonna flour my table. I'm gonna add the dough here. I'm gonna knead it.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen.
Right there.
Here, at this point, the dough looks good. Next, you're gonna take some olive oil, and you're gonna rub it on the bowl. You're gonna put this on top, rub a little bit more olive oil on it, and let it sit for an hour next to some place warm, preferably by the stove, and then we'll come back. It'll be doubled in size. All right? All right.
Okay.
So we're back. It's been an hour. The dough is already doubled in size. As you can see, Roz is playing with it. It's right here. It's nice and soft, right?
Yes.
I got her mom to help out.
Very good.
Yeah. Whose mom was that?
That's my mom.
That's her mom. So they're gonna roll it out, and I'll talk to you guys while they're rolling it out.
That's right.
No, roll it out.
Go ahead. Push it down. A little bit. Look at that.
So they're gonna put it on the table, and they're gonna use a rolling pin. You can use a rolling pin to use it to roll it out, so then it'll get nice and round. They're gonna make the shape that they want. They can add a little flour to the table to keep it from sticking.
Yeah, it's a little. You want to add the flour? A little bit. A little bit, and you put it on the table. You move it around. More than that, Rosalind. Come on.
That's too much.
Okay. Okay. Move it around. Now don't get it off the table. Like that. Okay. 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 We're good. We're good. We're good. Alright.
It's so dusty.
Yeah.
Now I'm doing that.
Alright, look, well, I'll start and then you can help me, okay? This is Mommy's first time too. Oh, I don't know. We're gonna see how this goes.
So rolling a dough, sometimes a little tricky. The dough's soft, so it'll be easier to work with. So you just roll it back and forth, back and forth. You know, professional pizza people that throw in the air and all that, we're not professional.
Yeah, it's gonna fall on the floor and catch a whole bunch of dog hair.
Right, and then Connor will eat
Connor's
it.
gonna eat it.
Connor's right here. He's right here.
So, yeah, push hard, 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 hard. Use your muscle.
Massage. There you go. Now flip
Okay.
it over. Flip your dough. And do the other side. Nice.
This is hard.
Don't get tired, come on.
Come on.
Use your muscles, your big muscles.
Ow.
Now, parent tip 101.
Okay.
This is how you get the kids tired to take a nap. Let them roll some dough. So that comes the
That was too
professional
hard.
lifter in to see what she can do.
Oh my gosh, that is hard.
That is a little hard, but it's good, right?
Yes.
Look at it. Now you're swole.
I'm weak.
So what we're looking for is like a 1/4 inch thick dough. I mean, it depends if you
What's
like
that
thin
for?
crust. We're gonna put it on here to cook in a little bit. So it depends if you're gonna do real thin crust or a little bit thicker. We
You
like
want
it. Depends how thick you want it.
Can we do another video?
Come on, let's focus on this one first. One at a time. Hard, you gotta put your muscles in it.
Wait.
There you go.
Okay.
No.
Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Let's move this way. Not that
I
way.
wasn't gonna stop.
Good job.
So there you go. That's part 1 of how to make pizza dough.
Okay,
Stay
okay.
tuned. Next week we're gonna show you how to finish the pizza. We're
Yeah,
gonna
you
still
got-
be working on it and keep on going.
You got
What?
flour on your face.
Yeah, just a little bit. So wait until next week. See you guys then.
You got flour in your forehead, just kidding.